Are you ready to start making money online in 2025 without quitting your job or spending thousands on a course? Whether you're looking for extra income or building a full-blown online business, I've got 10 legit ways to help you earn both active and passive income. All you need is a phone or laptop and internet connection. Let's jump right in. First, let's clear this up. Active income means trading your time for money like freelancing or remote jobs. Passive income means you build a system once and keep earning like digital products, affiliate marketing, or YouTube videos. This list includes both so you can start now and scale later. Freelancing is the fastest way to earn online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you offer services like graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, or even virtual assistants. The secret? Niche down. For example, YouTube Shorts editor for fitness channels. Stand out, charge more, and build a portfolio. Turn your creativity into cash. Use Canva to design printables, planners, resume templates, or even Instagram story packs. Upload to Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Digital products sell 24/7 so your income doesn't stop while you sleep. Love design but hate inventory? Try print on demand. Sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful let you sell shirts, mugs, and posters. You design, they handle printing and shipping. Tip: focus on trending or evergreen niches like mental health, gaming, or pets. This is where the big passive income starts. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Create content like blogs, YouTube videos, or product reviews and add your unique link. Every click that leads to a sale, that's commission for you. Don't want to show your face on YouTube? No problem. Use YouTube automation. Hire voiceover artists and editors from Fiverr. Use AI tools for scripts. Create videos in niches like motivation, top 10s, or tutorials and monetize through ads and sponsors. If you're just starting out, try Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's a task-based platform where you get paid for things like data categorization, transcription, and surveys. It won't make you rich, but it's a simple way to start earning. Are you great at something? Teach it. Record lessons on Excel, fitness, cooking, or even chess, and upload them to Teachable, Udemy, or Thinkific. Courses can earn you money long after they're made. Promote with YouTube Shorts, Reels, or blogs. Got an eye for photos or videos? Upload your content to Shutterstock, Pexels, or Adobe Stock. Companies need stock visuals daily and they'll pay for yours. Smartphone cameras work too, just make sure it's high quality. Customer support is a solid active income option. Big names like Amazon, Apple, and startups hire part-time agents to work from home. Check job boards like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs. Start a blog on a topic you love like tech, finance, or travel. Write helpful posts and monetize with Google AdSense or affiliate links. Use SEO tools like Surfer SEO or Rank Math to grow traffic. Over time, it can become a passive goldmine. There you have it, 10 real ways to make money online in 2025. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small, stay consistent, and scale what works. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment which method you're starting with. See you in the next one.